All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're just going to wing it. So S&P, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. So pretty standard stuff. Yeah, today we're going to be winging it because there's not too much happening. But yeah, if you like any of this stuff, like and subscribe. One day I would like to get to maybe 18, 19, 20 subscribers. That would be great. But anyway, we'll just jump into it. So overall heat map is looking pretty bearish, to be honest. It's down 0.55%. We'll look at the technicals in a sec. But yeah, overall, I think it might just be a retracement from the top. It did take all-time highs, and it just, yeah, one by one is coming down. So nothing too crazy, but Jerome Powell did speak last night, but I didn't really look at what the transcripts or anything like that. Maybe that has an effect, but yeah, overall news, nothing too crazy. So we'll just move on. So where are we? So global news as well, nothing crazy happening as well, like too much. No cool stories, just your normal day in the world. So we'll move on to news. So trading news, a bit more interesting happening. There was this PMI from Japan. It pretty much didn't, I thought it was going to be a big government document, but nothing too crazy. It was only like a page or two. So we'll skip over that, and then sorry, we will go into the Australian news. Yeah, so the consumer price index, pretty much what the CPIs and stuff. This is just a big one from Australia, but it's just a visualization of like pretty much consumer buying. Well, the prices for the consumer from month to month. So yeah, this is pretty detailed one, but yeah, just all your charts and all that, what you'd expect, but pretty, for layman's term, it's just, yeah, August, July, June. So meat and seafood, just visualizing all this. So when you see it in the calendar news, this is pretty much what they're talking about, like a lot of the time. So obviously massive points of data and stuff go into this, but yeah, for us people, we can just pick up the simplified news. So apart from that, nothing too crazy. As I said, Jerome Powell spoke last night, so always a bit of weight with that, but yeah, we'll just move on for now. So where are we? Wednesday. So yeah, he always speaks very early in the morning for Australia, but yeah, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks, so always pretty much red. Him and Trump always obviously move the market when they speak. He's the head of the central bank, so obviously I wouldn't say head of the head of the worldwide financial system, but yeah, just always pulling weight. So Bank of Canada speaks, employee from there. FOMC member speaks, so that might be something to do with Fed Jerome Powell speaking as well. So we got the American Petroleum Institute weekly statistical bulletin. So this comes up a lot. Always yellow folder. I'm pretty sure it's always yellow folder. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, you see it around a lot. President Trump speaks, and then we've got a flash manufacturing producer price producer price index. So yeah, purchasing managers index. Sorry. So yeah, nothing too crazy coming out of that as well. So obviously yellow folder, nothing too crazy. So flash is the second of two reports. So yeah, so they're just gauging the prices pretty much, yeah, the index prices and what they're coming out of the manufacturing like. So compared to, so outbound. So, all right, we got a consumer price index from Australia. So that's what I was talking about before. Yeah, just your consumers, what they're paying for stuff, overall health of the economy. And then Japan, we got Bank of Japan core CPI. So core is just excluding a couple things, and it's just a consumer price index as well. So they exclude stuff because normally it's seasonal, and that's my understanding anyway. So yeah, it's more seasonal stuff, or like yeah, just ups and downs. So all right, so we got Union Bank of Switzerland. So that's just yeah, economic expectations. So that's future outlook of I think 6 months or something like that. So of just economists and all those kind of academics, I'm pretty sure. And then we got German IFO. So this is a bit of a weird one. The acronym is information and forschung. Sorry, I probably butchered that, but yeah, it does. I looked up this word, and it does mean research. So yeah, it is a pretty big one, 9,000 businesses, and yeah, it's just a business climate. So yeah, just surveying people and all that. And then we got a Belgium, National Bank of Belgium. So that's 3,000 businesses and 3-month outlook into the future. So, and then USD, we got yeah, new home sales. So overall health of the economy, pretty self-explanatory that if houses are getting knocked up, it's probably pretty good, or the money is flowing. So, all right, so we'll move on. So overall, since we last talked, and nothing in this video is financial advice, but yeah, nothing too crazy. Ever since I started putting in a trade or two on this channel, nothing too crazy has happened. So I'm going to be transparent with wins or losses. So, but yeah, Euro USD is since yeah, yesterday it's just really stacked liquidity here. So this Asia high and this Asia high are just pretty much next to each other. So that will turn into a big point of interest in the short term. And then yeah, it's just been bearish, so it's taking out this liquidity, and for now it's just bobbing around, I guess. So this is the trade I've got in a few days ago now, so it's pretty much break even. So nothing. I'm not worried. These yeah, the stats and everything around retail trading is very fucking not good anyway. But I think the stats look better on higher time frames and longer trades. Like if you say to people, if you stay on social media and all that, people are making 10% a day or whatever. But really the people that, if you can make 20, 30, 40% a year, like you're really in the top 1%, top 1%, like really. So yeah, this is how it plays out, and just is what it is. Like there's sugarcoating. If anyone's saying any different, like if you gave them 100 grand and they're making 1% a year, like you do the maths, like that'd be worth trillions of dollars, like, you know. So just a lot of fugazi stuff happening. But yeah, for me, I think obviously I know a lot what goes behind the scenes, but it does seem slow. But I think a lot of people are just used to watching stuff on social media, I guess. But this stuff is not exciting at all. So anyway, I moved this box a bit before, so this doesn't truly represent what I did get in. But yeah, we'll leave it for now. Worst comes to worst, it hits stop loss. If it hits take profit, it's all good as well. So, but yeah, just stacking liquidity. These lines have gone through. So the next point of interest is obviously Asia high here. We got previous Asia session here, and we got previous Asia session here. So really just yeah, bouncing around now. So hey, it is what it is. All right, so overall, yeah, S&P is up, no, down 0.55%, as I said before. This is the retracement. So this is just really what it could be, the S&P, the heat map I showed you before. So nothing too crazy. NASDAQ is down 0.73%. So same, like it's just had a retracement. I'm not too sure on stocks and indices all that much. And I really couldn't tell you. If anyone out there is willing to tell me stuff, yeah, let me know, because yeah, just subscribe and join, because I'd be keen to learn for sure. So, but yeah, I'd be lying to you if I said I knew this or not. And to be fair, a lot of people don't. So I'm just trying to learn like everyone else. So, and then yeah, the NASDAQ is small retracement, all-time highs, and it is down. Sorry, I knew that didn't sound right. The Dow Jones is yeah, retracement again, and that's down 0.19%. So all-time highs are here, obviously, and yeah, hey, it is what it is. Hopefully over time, talking about indices and stuff, I'll just get better. So same with the S&P 500 heat map. The reason why I do include that is just over time get better, to be honest. Be cool to read the news and yeah, just improve a lot with that kind of stuff. So anyway, yeah, if any of you guys like any of this, like and subscribe. If not, it's all sweet, and I'll see you guys. Come back tomorrow anyway, so it's no stress. All right, cheers guys, have a good one. Cheers, see ya.